ZHC Chemical Company Limited is owned by RUIJIA Group. Was established in 2011. The headquartered located in the beautiful Spring City, Jinan. We are large-scale manufacturing enterprise integrating R&D, produce and sales. Our factory is located in Chemical Industrial Park, Jining City. The plant area is 10,000 square meters, which has multiple standard production lines. Our main products are intermediates, especially guanidine and Ethyleneurea Series. In recent years we has made major breakthrough in biological buffers, additive agents, and cosmetic raw materials, etc. We now export more than 150 countries and regions. Also have an international procurement team to engage in procurement of chemical materials in China. And got high evaluation. ZHC Enterprise Mission, Zeal Heart Care for each customers and every details.